Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be adding page numbering inside our PDF document at footer. Here you can see we will be adding these page numbers inside footer of a PDF document using jsPDF library. So you can see it contains 5 pages. You can see it will tell you this is page number 1 of 5, and then on the second page it will tell you page number 2 of 5, and on the third page it will tell you page number 3 of 5, and similarly on the fourth page page 4 of 5, and on the last page it will tell you page 5 of 5. So and it will also tell you last page. So this is highly useful if you are printing your PDF file and if you want to be numbering your PDF file also. So I will be showing you how to do this inside our footer here using JSPDF, which is a PDF generation library in JavaScript. So for this detailed, I have written a blog post inside video description. I have given the link in the video description. All the source code is given here. Step-by-step instruction is given. So please go to the video description and go to my blog post. And let's get started by building this application. So first of all, what you need to do is that I will just make an index.html file, and here you need to include the JSPDF CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. So we will not be downloading locally. We will just include this. So just go to my blog post and simply copy this script tag and right here include it. We don't need jQuery, we bootstrap. I have just included this. So just include this JSPDF main.js, and after this you just need to follow along with the video. So here we will write the basic custom JavaScript, and right here after this we just need to make a script tag. We don't need any sort of thing inside body. I will just tell you how to add page numbers at the footer. So basically this will initialize the new document inside JSPDF. Here we are providing 3 arguments. First is the P here, then the mm, and A4 size paper. So we have successfully initialized. And then we can add some text here, doc.text. This is a method here, so we can just write first page, and then we can provide coordinates 10 by 10. Then we can add a page here in the document, new page, with the help of this method which is add page. We can do the same thing again, doc.text, second page, again providing 10 comma 10, and then we can say doc.text add page to add a new page inside document, and again doc.text third page 10 comma 10, again we can say doc.add page, doc.text fourth page 10 comma 10, again we can add a new page. That's it. So now we have added 5 pages. So again in the last page we can say here last page 10 comma 10. So now if I just save the document here by writing the save line, which is doc.save, it will save this document at output.pdf. So now you will see nothing will be added. This will be just 5 pages that will get added here. So I just need to refresh the document here. You will see output.pdf will be downloaded, and it will contain 5 pages: first page, second page, third page, fourth page, and last page. So now you can see nothing is added inside the footer. So now to add the footer here, this is pretty easy. You just need to go to my blog post. I have written the complete source code here. After adding the block pages, you just need to write this loop here like this before saving your document. So this will add the page numbers successfully. So after this, before this, you just need to paste it here. So we are running a page for loop here. First of all, we are getting the number of pages by using this method, which is doc.internal.get number of pages. So this is a built-in JSPDF method to get the number of pages which are present inside the PDF document. After that, we are running a for loop from 1 to the number of pages, and for each page we are setting this set page. We are first of all going to that page by using this set page method, and then we are printing this text here at the bottom of the footer here. So page number 1 of, you can see this is just a complex code here, so just need to copy this code, and if you just run this code here and execute it, you will see Now output.pdf will be get downloaded, and you will see your footer here, which is placed right here at the right position here of the bottom of the footer. Page number 1 of 5, page number 2 of 5, page number 3 of 5, page number 4 of 5, and page number 5 of 5. So in this way you can just add page numbering inside your footer, inside JSPDF document. So I saw various people asking this question at various Stack Overflow communities, how I add this page number at footer. So I just wanted to make a separate video showing you guys that how to attach these page numbers inside footer. So all the source code will be there inside the video description, so just go to it and download all the source code. And do check out, do like this video, subscribe the channel, and check out my website guys, freemediatools.com. This is the tool based website that I developed here, so the link will be there inside the video description. This is freemediatools.com. So it contains almost 140 tools related to audio, image, and video. So do share this website with your friends, and also join the Facebook group, which is 31 members. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.